Hello guys, in this part of Microsoft Word features, I will show you how to fix your spelling and grammar errors quickly and how to show them. First we will show our grammar errors. So click Options, click Proofing, and then check all checkboxes in Proofing. Click OK, and now your grammar and spelling mistakes are shown. The red ones are spelling mistakes. If you have grammar mistake, it's usually green one. If the language doesn't match your language in your document, you can change the language through language layout, for example to German. As you can see now, all words in my selected text was changed as the spelling error, since it's not clearly German. So back to English. Now, as you can see, there are all errors. If I want to see these errors and fix them, click Check Document, and you can see here the grammar and spelling errors. Spelling errors are the red one, the grammar error is the blue one. First I will fix my spelling errors. When you click on spelling error, there is suggestion how to fix your spelling errors, correct word. So this should be origin probably. When you click, your spelling error is fixed immediately. Now this one, the it is, heroes, religious, and that's it. And with making, you can also fix very quickly this. As you can see, my document now has all spelling and grammar errors fixed, and I have 0 spelling and grammar errors anymore. And I can continue. There are also the clarity and consistency checks, which also can help you to fix your document. You can always clarify if it's wrong or no, and you can always add a new word to your vocabulary. Example, and not in dictionary. So you can add it to dictionary or other autocorrect options. Since this is not a word, I will not add it to dictionary, but you have the option here and you create a new word. Anyway guys, this is everything about check document, spelling and grammar errors. If you have any question, you can write it in the comments, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!